Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your pattern lock not being recognized on the HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. Let's begin! So, unfortunately, there isn't any way to really fix that. The truth is that most likely you have just forgotten your lock screen password, and there's nothing really you can do about it except one thing only, and it is to perform a factory reset. Now, it's very important to mention before we start the tutorial part a little warning, or actually a couple of them, because if we do perform a factory reset, we will remove the password. That is correct. However, with that password, we are also removing everything from our device. So all your images, all your photos, all your applications, all videos, all messages, all contacts, music, everything is going to disappear, and your phone, your Huawei, will behave almost like a new phone. Without a password, of course. So yeah, here's your warning, and with that out of the way, let's begin performing factory resets. First of all, we want to simply disable our device, and we can power it off by pressing and holding the power button like this. And you want to do that for about 3 to 5 seconds, and then you want to go into power off like this. And after we hear a little vibration, this means that we can proceed to the next step, and it is to enter the recovery mode, and you can do that by pressing and holding the power button and volume up button at the same time, so something like this. And we want to keep pressing and holding that for much longer. I believe it's to be 10 seconds almost, and the moment you'll see Huawei logo, you want to keep pressing and holding. So as you can see, I failed. I will try to do it again, but usually you don't want to do this, you just want to be very, very patient. I'm just very, very impatient guy, so yeah, that's a shame. But anyway, we can keep waiting, and now we want to still keep pressing until we hear a little vibration, like now, and after that vibration passes, we should see our recovery mode in any moment. Congratulations! Now you can proceed and go down using the volume button into clear data, and you want to go into here by clicking the power button like this. Now you can go into factory reset, power button, and now as you can see we want to enter the word yes, and then we want to touch the factory reset button, and after that our phone will wipe all of our data. So once again, just type in yes, click the button, and you are good to go. After that, your phone will perform a factory reset, and after that you can just reboot your device and you can proceed with the setup, and yeah, your phone will just behave like a new one. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.